In today's video, I'm going to share how you can start job servicing for free in 2023. Hi, my name is May and I'm an online business coach who has helped hundreds of individuals new to the digital world achieve massive online income through building risk-free online businesses that requires zero startup cost. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Is it possible to build a job servicing business from scratch without any investment? Do you know that it is even easier to set up your own job servicing agency with no money and no capital at all in this year, which is 2023, because there are so many tools out there which are free for you to use. And if you are intending to start your own job servicing business this year, then you need to know these 5 tools that I'm going to share with you today. Job servicing business is one of the most profitable and the easiest to start up business model that I've ever tried. So if you plan to start an online business this year, you may want to consider starting job servicing business. And today I will be showing you what are the websites and tools that you can use so that you can start job servicing business with zero capital. Here are the first 5 things that you need for setting up your own job servicing business. The very first one will be your business name. The second thing you need is your brand logo. The third thing that you need will be your website and a payment page. The fourth thing you need will be your marketing. And lastly, you need to build an email funnel. For business name, you can head over to ChatGPT to help you generate a few business name ideas. So I will ask ChatGPT to provide me with business name ideas for my digital agency, for example. So if you are setting up a job servicing agency which are more towards digital services like digital marketing services, or if you are promoting video services, then you can ask ChatGPT to provide you with probably a creative agency business name ideas. So ChatGPT will provide you with tons of business name ideas like this Digital Dynamo, Tectonic, Bytebuzz, WebWizards. All these are very nice names, so you are really spoiled for choices. And if you don't find what you are looking for, then you can always ask ChatGPT to give you more. So for here, I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 more. The next thing that you need to set up your job servicing business will be your brand logo. So for brand logo, I will go to Canva to create a free logo. Besides creating a business logo, you can also design your portfolio as well as your invoices on Canva for free. Learn how you can create your own portfolio on Canva even when you are new to job servicing. I will leave the video tutorial up here. The next thing you need will be website as well as payment page. So I understand you are trying job servicing business out and you do not want to invest in a website first. So Pensite is a very good alternative to website for beginners. This is because it is totally free for you to use and you can accept payment with this Pensite. Another very good feature of Pensite will be setting up meetings online with your client. So this feature is totally free. As a job servicing business owner, we need to interact with clients most of the time. So having this feature will really help us to connect with our clients easier, and you don't need to pay for this feature. The next thing you need that is super important will be your sales and marketing. So marketing is where you generate leads and convert your leads into your clients. So one of the very effective free platform that I'm currently using will be TikTok, as well as local online marketplace. Some local online marketplace do not charge any fees, but for Singapore's local online marketplace, which is the Carousell, you still need to pay a fee of about $5 per listing. So if you are really looking for a free marketing platform, then I would suggest you to go on TikTok and promote your services there. I have a more in-depth video on how you can create a business on TikTok. I will leave a link up here as well as down in the description box below. Another free marketing way will be doing cold outreach. So you can do cold calling, cold DMs, as well as cold PMs to your target audience. The next thing that is really important that you need to have in your job servicing business will be an email funnel, or what we call it a sales funnel. An email or sales funnel is very important to convert your leads into your paying clients. For this funnel, I'm using GetResponse. So you can sign up for a free account on GetResponse. For the first 500 contacts, it will be free, and you can send out 2,500 newsletters per month month for free. So if you are using TikTok for your marketing purpose, then you can create one free landing page on GetResponse and start to nurture the leads. This is how you should start up, and as time goes by, once you have started to have more clients and once you have more contacts, you can always upgrade the plan later. Besides a free landing page, GetResponse also provide you with a free website builder. So if you really like GetResponse, you can always build your very first job servicing website on GetResponse as well. For the first 3 months, do focus on getting as much leads as possible. Once you start to work with clients and you have more paying clients, and once you have generated consistent income, you can start using the profit that you have earned and upgrade the plans according to your needs. These are the exact 5 tools that you should use when you are starting to build your job servicing business. Once you start seeing profit coming in, you can start to invest in the tools or websites. This is the very first stage when you are starting your job servicing business. And if you want to have a more in-depth training, I have a free 2-hour tutorial that you should check out over here. For all the websites and tools that I've mentioned today, I will leave all the links down in the description box below, so make sure that you check them out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!